Hi everyone, we are definitely entering a next gen era of AI powered coding with the latest announcement that I saw online. And that's why I thought to make this quick video on the news at this middle of the night, as I just could not go to sleep without making this one. Again, before proceeding with this video, just wanted to say that this is an opinionated video, so whatever I say, please take it with some grain of salt and decide whatever works best for you. So just a few days back, one of you asked me to cover the cursor tutorial creating an production ready app, and I was just preparing for that tutorial today where I saw this news. And in case if you haven't already heard of the news, let me first break the news to you that SuperMaven has now joined. Now, this is of course a great news for AI powered next generation or new generation developers who generally don't know or don't care really about all the nitty-gritty of coding best practices and everything. So before diving deep on this topic, let me just give you a bit of context in case you are wondering what's in this news to be so much excited about, right? So I probably don't have to explain everything about Cursor, as you probably already know what is Cursor and everything. So those of you who don't know, Cursor is just a fork of VS Code, and it comes with some amazing AI coding agent capabilities that can really help you code faster with AI using top tier AI models like GPT-4o or Cloud Sonnet, and it can do things. As you can see here, you can actually use the chat with a natural language to create code in your editor itself. And to talk about SuperMaven, SuperMaven is a coding assistant or coding copilot with really powerful model which have over I think 1 million context token context window, which is really good, especially when it comes to do the auto completion of code, and they are proven to be very efficient, especially if you compare with GitHub Copilot. And I think so far SuperMaven was only helping writing code faster for the developers who already know the nitty gritty about the coding, whereas Cursor was more like helping the new age developers who either just starting out with the coding space but eager to create SaaS or apps, or some lazy developers who know stuff about all the nitty gritty stuff in coding, the best practices, but just don't want to put their heads down with now AI writing all the codes efficiently. I think in simple example, developers like me. But at times, I really miss the feature of autocomplete. Cursor used to support the autocomplete, but it is not as fast and as good as SuperMaven does it with because it has the 1 million context window. I also have tried almost like I think 2 or 3 months of GitHub Copilot for auto-completion, but that also didn't work so well, so I had to cancel it. One of the problem with Cursor was that if the coding context becomes too big, especially if you're creating some production like application, and then if I give an instruction, it's kind of sometime hallucinates, not every time, but yeah, sometimes it just hallucinates. And this is where I just wish that I could have some control in the code, so that if I could have some kind of autocomplete feature to continue working on that project, that would have been awesome, right? And there was a solution, of course. I could have used the SuperMaven as an extension on top of the Cursor, but that means that I would have to spend another $10 per month on top of the $20 subscription that I already pay to Cursor, right? And I really think that the people at Cursor and SuperMaven have realized this issue for senior developers or lazy developers like me, and so now they have decided to tie up their hands, which is really, really good news for us. And this really means that the sun is going to be even shiner for AI powered developers. And in case you are starting out in this space, watch out for my upcoming Cursor tutorial on creating a production standard app, which is coming soon, of course. Now I'll be of course waiting for the SuperMaven integration to be completed with Cursor before I hit the record button for that tutorial, so that I can create a comprehensive tutorial, really like more of a crash course. And I'm hoping those integration shouldn't be more than just a few days or weeks away. Now, with that said, I am really excited. Now, with that said, I'm probably going to end this video because this is again just an opinionated video. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel as we generally cover everything about AI and SaaS in this channel. And definitely make sure to hit the like button if this news brings any value to you. And please take care, and I'll see you on to the next one. Bye for now.